after 1947, after 1965,
That is a
after
different matter.
Bhiwandi.
That is a different matter.
I am part
What
of
was
a,
there been
I am
communal
part
divide
of
has
a
been in
place.
the
I
country
live in
for more
Thane
than
district
1,000
where
years.
Bhiwandi is, and Bhiwandi suffered the worst riots.
I think it is time.
I am not talking
My question to
about
Vinod
riots. I am
Mehta.
talking of the sequence
Created by the
related to
Congress.
IM.
Congress has created riots throughout its history.
I am not saying.
One second.
who
It's not
caused
two-way.
the
It's not
route.
two-way
I am
debate.
not
Can I come in?
accusing BJP of starting riot. I am not accusing Congress of
Chandan
starting
Mitra and
riot.
Kumar Ketkar, 1 minute. See, I have presented a document. I challenge the Congress spokesperson to produce a counter document to contradict this document. Or I request the Congress spokesperson to take a position on this issue in the course of this debate. Bhakta Charan Das, the ball is in your court. But before I come back to you, Vinod Mehta, do you think the Congress party is making a mistake this time?
Arnab, as the cliche goes, I hope you'll give me a few minutes.
You
Now,
can have more than a few minutes.
I
Yes.
find this an extremely dangerous and reckless statement.
Yeah.
And Mr. Shakil Ahmed is behaving like the spokesperson of the Indian Mujahideen and not as a Congress leader. You see, Indian Mujahideen use these things, exploit these kind of incidents to radicalize Muslim youth and misguide them. Is Mr. Shakil Ahmed saying, therefore, that they are correct in what they are doing? And can't the Indian Mujahideen now say,
Exactly what he's
look,
saying.
we told you that Gujarat riots causes terror, and look at same thing is being said by Mr. Shakil Ahmed. I really believe that this not only is a reckless statement, but it casts aspersions on patriotic Indian Muslims. It says that they can easily be
Yes.
misguided by this kind of propaganda. And the last thing, Arnab, I want to say about the tweet. If it had been an interview, one could believe that it was a slip of a tongue. But since it's a tweet, he must have composed it. He must have thought about it.
Absolutely.
Tweets, whatever they are, take a little time to compose. Unlike an interview where you can make a mistake or say something. So I don't think this is a verbal error or a oversight. I think he thought about it, and I believe this is an extremely dangerous and reckless statement to make. And coming from the Congress General Secretary, I am astounded by this kind of statement, which seems to not only justify the radicalization of Indian Muslims, young Indian Muslims, but casts aspersions on Indian Muslims, and you are saying that they are so stupid, they are so easily misguided, that the kind of propaganda that the Indian Mujahideen are putting forward, they fall for it. I think it's a preposterous statement and it should be withdrawn.
Well, I mean, the ball is once again in your court. Bhakta Charan Das, is Vinod Mehta khaki wearing Jansangi that he's saying this? He's been accused of a lot of things, but is Vinod Mehta Jansangi that he's criticizing you? He's telling you the facts. And let me remind you, Bhakta Charan Das, in 2001, your party made the mistake. Your party made the mistake of questioning the ban on Simi. I remember in 2001, your party said that the action on Simi, besides being ill-timed, was described by the Congress party as a naked attempt to fan communal discord. That's what you said in 2001. Are you going to make the same mistake again?
Mr. Arnab, every communal flavor, if somebody tweets or somebody speaks, the communal flavor, the people of the nation have witnessed. They have been watching series of communal riot and the retaliation and vice versa. So these things are not new in our nation.
Sir.
But we do not support this. You are reading somebody's statement.
Not somebody, a Congress
that
leader.
Might be true, or you see that might be true, but
What might be true?
This is, the party does not, but the party does not endorse all these kind of things.
So you are saying, you are
you.
saying that individual Congress leaders can say whatever to justify the existence and violence carried out by terror groups. You are saying individually our leaders have the freedom. You are such a democratic party today that you will allow individual leaders to go out and support terror groups?
To make a tweet and enter into a dialogue
what
and
is a
to
tweet?
give a statement is a different thing.
Of course not.
Has he given?
You are trying to get away by saying.
Statement as a general secretary.
Well, I'm sorry, Bhakta
Has he
Charan
given
Das.
statement as a general secretary?
So
is it a party tweet?
Is he a general
Or is it a
secretary?
party account?
Is he a general
It is his
secretary?
personal account. It
Is
is
he a
his
general
personal
secretary?
account.
Is he a general secretary?
What are you talking?
Is he a general secretary?
It is his personal account.
Is-
He has tweeted from his personal account.
Is he a general secretary?
And we are entering into a dialogue, and we are involving people into a dialogue.
What are you talking about?
The communal favor
I
and
put this
action
phone.
and reaction.
I put this question out to the audience this evening, and I'm putting this out on our phone lines. I'm going to open up 2 phone lines. You can speak directly to the Congress Party spokesperson,
Yeah.
Bhakta Charan Das. Our numbers are Mumbai numbers 24990594, 24990591, 592593. The numbers will be on your screen. Bhakta Charan Das, I would like to remind you that in 2001, when he was the Bihar Pradesh Congress Committee President and Medical Education Minister Shakil Ahmed, at that point of time, he saw a political conspiracy behind the banning of Simi. That's 2001. You find no link between what he said on Simi in 2001 and what he's saying on the Indian Mujahideen in 2013? You see no link? Bhakta Charan Das?
Indian Mujahideen is a successor to
I
Simi.
don't know. I have not gone through that. What he has said in 2001, and what he is tweeted now. That we do not include that and we exclude that thing.
Sir, you don't think today, you think today that these comments...
So you condemn it. You denounce it. You say he was wrong.
He is not condemning it. Bhakta Charan Das is not condemning it.
Wrong.
We are very clearly saying that if the communal flavor comes out from different persons, whether from this group or that group or this community or that community, we don't endorse.
No, that's an overgeneralization. You are again trying to get...
That is the same thing.
One of the situation today
you say...
it's not the words of Shakil Ahmed that bothers me as much as the silence of the Congress party. Because their silence in effect is supporting the so-called communal flavor given by Mr. Shakil Ahmed. And that is most dangerous for this country and this society.
Congress for the communal things. And people of the nation knows that who are more communal and what they are doing.
Mr. Das, I have a simple question for you, and I think everyone on the panel has a simple question for you. Does the Congress party support the stand, or do they condemn the stand of Mr. Shakil Ahmed?
Why is
because
it so?
If you say you are indifferent towards it, you are in effect supporting it.
Simple.
I very clearly say that we are not supporting this stand. Then what happens to you? I do not
So
know.
do we take it as Congress party condemns this statement? Do we take it as Congress party condemns this statement?
I have very clearly said that the Congress party does not endorse such kind of statement.
No. Watch. Are you ashamed? Are you ashamed? Are you ashamed? Bhakta Charan Das, your moment today, you are being tested on national television. Are you ashamed? Are you ashamed of a Congress leader who has provided a justification to a terror group responsible for the death of innocent Indian men, women and children in several acts of terrorism over the last 6 years? Are you ashamed that a Congress party general secretary has done that? And I'm not talking of a rookie. He's not a rookie politician, is he? He's not a babe in the woods.
Arnab,
yes, sir. The challenge is to you.
Arnab,
are you ashamed of what he said?
I would have felt ashamed. Listen, I would have felt ashamed had it not been a tweet. And it would have been a direct statement of himself, then I would have felt ashamed. But it is a tweet. On a tweet, I cannot comment.
What is the difference between a tweet and... What is the difference between a tweet and a statement? Please, Mr. Bhaktacharan Das, please explain
Arnab.
what is the difference between a
No, are you saying?
on a Twitter
No,
and a statement?
Vinod Mehta is coming
Each
up.
from
his
I think-
personal
what is the
account.
difference? I think it's a
You
pretty-
cannot
actually-
drag the party. You
Actually,
see,
Arnab-
you are talking to a party spokesperson.
Actually, Arnab,
Yes, I
You
am
cannot
talking-
drag the
Arnab-
party.
I am
to-
talking. I am
Arnab,
talking.
actually,
I,
you can
I,
say
I am
which
talking
age
to
are
a
you
party
living in? It is the
spokesperson,
individual
and I am
age are you
asking
living
the
in?
party spokesperson tonight.
Arnab, only
One
one
second,
sentence. Only one sentence. Those who defended the position that action has its reaction in Godhra are talking the same language. So Shakil Ahmed, you can say, is copying what Narendra Modi said in 2002.
Well, that's a, so by the same logic, should I say that the Operation Blue Star?
All
Yes,
your
you
attempts.
can say that.
Should I say that Operation
say
Blue
that.
Star?
All your
Operation
attempts,
Blue
you
Star.
can say that. Come
So,
to
so
the-
you will justify the
So
Khalistan
if you
movement?
defend,
Arnab,
if you
Mr.
defend
Bhaktacharan
action
Das,
reaction theory,
we cut
if
no
you
harm
defend
today.
action reaction theory,
We-
then everything
Arnab,
falls
can I
into
come
place.
in here?
No, your effort.
You have to condemn
Your
the
effort
action
to
reaction
bail
theory
out
first.
Mr.
You have to condemn the
Out
action
of no
reaction
avail.
theory
One second, one
first.
Out of
second.
no avail.
One second. Our viewers are calling in.
Arnab.
One second. Chandan
No,
Mitra,
no,
Vinod Mehta,
actually,
1 minute. I'm putting the
actually,
phone numbers out. Some of our viewers are saying we don't have the phone numbers yet. I want the phone numbers to come in. I'm repeating that I will put the phone numbers on air in 1 minute from now. Then you can start calling in. Vinod Mehta, I think the calls are beginning to come in, and more of our viewers want the Congress spokesperson to take a position on the news hour tonight. Yes, Vinod Mehta.
Arnab, we are on a very slippery path here because we are dealing in ambiguity and double talk, and instead of taking the situation at its face value, I think if he had said this during the course of an interview, it would have been less condemnable. I believe a tweet is much more well thought out, and therefore, while we provide all these justifications about the communal color, etc., and how things are exploited, etc., I think these kinds of communalism, we must be direct and absolutely straightforward. Any effort to communalize the position is to be condemned. Full stop.
Well, I put a challenge here. Sanjay Jha joins the debate. Clearly, Bhaktacharan Das, we've got two Congress spokespersons now. The debate is only warming up. My question tonight to Sanjay Jha, welcome to the debate. Bhaktacharan Das has been on the debate, and my question is why your party cannot have the courage to say that you're ashamed, embarrassed, not just red-faced, that you will take action against Shakil Ahmed for the atrocious thing he has done by trying to indirectly provide a justification for the formation of the Indian Mujahideen. My question to you, Sanjay Jha, is my information is that the American Center in Kolkata was attacked in January 2002. January 2002 was before the Gujarat riots, and it was done by one of the founders of the Indian Mujahideen. What do you have to say to that?
Arnab, I actually just spoke to Mr. Shakil Ahmed in the evening earlier, and he actually told me exactly what he's mentioned even in his statement yesterday, which is that he's not said anything himself. To attribute those statements to him and to kind of read any import into it is actually missing the woods for the trees.
So what import should I read into it?
He's actually quoted a National Investigation Agency context. No, 1 minute. So that's a point number one. Point number two, if there is, and I have also been hearing this in another channel.
Where is the NIA charge sheet?
Let me inform you.
Where is the NIA charge sheet? You have a copy of it?
You have one of the, since we're talking of, this is what he's told me, and I haven't seen the NIA charge sheet, but why should we disbelieve him?
Why should we go? Oh, so you're willing to go by print reports? No, 1 minute. You're willing to go by print reports in this case, but in the case of Ishrat Jahan, your party general secretary goes to your home minister and says, how do we go by print reports? How do you have this selective approach, Sanjay Jha? One logic for the Indian Mujahideen, yeah, one logic for the case of Ishrat Jahan.
There's nothing selective. Let me explain to you. Just a few minutes ago, Arnab, just a few minutes ago, I heard one of the very prominent allies of the BJP in the NDA, Mr. Subramanian Swamy, say on a channel that the strategy of the NDA for the 2014 elections is unite the Hindus and divide the Muslims. I heard that just half an hour ago. Now that to me is blatant.
So you're competing with that?
That we should be talking about.
You're competing with that logic?
Mr. Shakil Ahmed.
You're competing with that?
No. No. I'm telling you,
this
there
is
is
competitive communal politics that you're indulging in.
Are we ignoring a deeper danger? Mr. Shakil Ahmed's statement, by the way, let me just give me a minute. I'm come slightly late in the debate. Mr. Shakil Ahmed, people have been saying he's justifying terror. That's preposterous. Far from it. In fact, that would be absurd to make that kind of an accusation. The point that he was making And I
For
you know,
the-
end
for
of
the
the day, he's
benefit
the
of the
best one to
viewers, let's
explain
ask
that.
Mr. Sanjay
But the
Jha
point
first, has
that
he
I
read
thought
the
he was
tweet?
making
Has he
was that
read
we
the
need
tweet?
to worry. We need to worry. No,
Forget what
one-
Mr. Shakil Ahmed
Can I
said.
finish?
Kindly
The
read the
point that
tweet
he
and
was
then tell
making
us
is that
whether
there
or
is
not you feel it's
concern.
condemnable or not.
No.
I don't think you've read it at
The point
all.
he was making is that Rahul Narvekar there.
Yeah, it is Rahul Narvekar. There's an audio
Is there
delay,
Rahul
Rahul. Let him
Narvekar
complete. Yeah.
Well, Shiv Sena should be the last party to please give us a lecture on communalism. For heaven's sake, you are masters
We are
in that
discussing
art.
your
You are mastered
pseudo-secularism.
communal politics.
Mr. Sanjay Jha, we are
Please don't tell us.
discussing your pseudo-secularism. Forget
Yeah.
our
No.
communalism
So
or
the point
secularism.
I'm making-
We know what our stand is.
The point
we do
I'm
not
making-
practice pseudo-secularism which
The
you
point
practice.
I'm making, that's all right. Rahul, the
That has
point,
to be all right,
Rahul,
because you
just
don't have an answer
Let
for
him,
that.
let him complete now. He made the point to you. Yeah, go on.
The point that the point Mr. Shakil Ahmed was making, and that's how I heard him on television speak, and he spoke to me earlier this evening. He said, listen, all I said was that we need to worry because incidents of communal politics can...
No,
lead
he has said,
to a
no,
rise of
one second. No, one
terrorism.
second.
He in
No,
fact
we must be
sees
factually
circumstantial
correct. No, we
questions
must
about
be
it.
factually correct. We
I
must
don't
be
think-
factually correct,
I
Sanjay
don't
Jha.
think
You
he's
must not
trying
get
to
yourself
indulge
into...
in a
No, you are not
confrontation.
factually correct. He has said that the NIA...
Sure.
He has said that the NIA has said... One minute. Look at the politics here. Mr. Shakil Ahmed has claimed, while that he was not justifying any terror acts. Now, I'll tell you why his defense does not hold. Right? 1 second.